Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to meet you again today on 24th of June, 2025 years, 2025. You can see we are today going to make a trade on gold XAU USD. And as you can see, there is a high of the month. This is the low of the month. This is the low of the week. If you can see this color, red color, this is low of the week. This is low of the week. This is low of the week. I will delete this because it is far away. I also will delete this because it is far away. This is the low of the week, and this is high of the week. And when we change to daily time frame, we are here in this day on 24th of June 2025. This is the law of the day and this is the law of the week. As you can see, the price move in a direction for a purpose. I want to say and make this note, which is very important for you and for me also. Why the price moving down here, and how can I know that the price, the target of the price, and make a profit for from that? As you can see, there was a trading higher. The price is moving higher, but in this area, about 3 days, 1, 2, 3, there is a rejection. But at the end of the war between Israel and Iran, the price change its direction and make it's a volume gap here on a closure. It is open here yesterday and closed here, and the day after that, which is today, 24th of June, make this low, which is a change in the volume. So which is a change in the volume. That is volume over value gap, volume gap from here to here, and the price moving down during Asian session and during London session. And we are trading the price today or the gold today on a New York session. I want to say some notes which is very important. As you can see that the price either look for liquidity or look for or create fair value gap. The price moving down and disrespect this fair value gap, disrespect it, and disrespect also this order block, disrespect it, and disrespect this trend line, and disrespect this rejection, and make a volume gap here. All these signs of moving down. And also during Asian and during London session, Asian and London session, the price moving down and neglected all buying pressure here at the end of the war between Israel and Iran. So when we change, so the price is looking for liquidity, which is below this low of the day. You can see this is the daily, this is the law of the day, and this is the law of the week. As you can see here, you can see this is the law of the week. This red color is the law of the week before 2 week. Okay. um, so the price targeting this because there is a liquidity here below it. And also when we change on daily, the price take the liquidity from here, take the liquidity from here, and there is a liquidity in daily this low. Okay. Okay, so the price is targeting the liquidity below when it disrespected all evidence that pushing it up. When we change on H4, when we change on H4, we can see that the price, how it move during this time during New York. As you can see on H4, there was an fair value gap here. This is fair value gap, H4. Okay, fair value gap. This is the first thing that we must make it. On H2, there is no thing significant other than change in the state of delivery. This is change in the state of delivery on H2. You can see it. Change CISD. Okay. H2 on on H2 time frame. There is a change in the state of delivery on H1. As you can see, that the price is moving down, and then return to this area. We already trade this area, in this area, on New York session. I want to show you how a New York session make it. How the you can see that the price when open the New York session moving down and then return up and then moving down towards daily low of the day and pull the liquidity. This is a New York session. This is a New York session. I will change the color of this to be evident for you. I will change this to red, to green. This is the New York session opening it on 8 o'clock morning in New York, moving down and then moving up, and the price moving down again and take liquidity of daily. And I suspect that the price will continue moving down until take the liquidity of the weekly low. Okay, this is my suspicion. Now I want to explain to you how I make money here in this area. On 30 minutes, you can see that the price make change in the state of delivery on H2, and also there is a change in the state of delivery on H1. This is H1. This is H1. You can see it change in the state of delivery H1. Okay, sorry, to make it to the right, to be away, make it to the right also. This is very important for the market that is moving down. When we change to, I will remove the indicator of the session. I want to check where it begin the session. The session begin here. The session begin here. Okay, this is the session. Sorry, begin here. Okay, okay. Then remove it, remove. The session, New York session begin here. Okay, on 8 o'clock, and then moving rapidly here, and then moving rapidly here, and then return and moving rapidly here. We are making a trade in this area. In this area, as you can see, there was a fair value gap H4 here. Okay, that's change in the state of delivery on H2, change in the state of delivery of H1, and we are here. We are, and that's a rejection against the trade. There is a rejection here above on 30 minutes. We can see if there is a rejection on H2, H1, no, H4, no rejection. On 30, yes, there is a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, but also there is a rejection against the trade, which is we neglect it because there is no, it is against the market structure, as we mentioned that before. And the price make this fair value gap also on 30 minutes. You can see this is fair value gap on 30 minutes. On 15 minutes, you can see how the price move. There was We are here making the money. As you can see, there was a fair value area. There was a fair value, a large fair value area, and nested fair value area. And this is not only fair value area, but also this is a fair value gap. Okay, as you can see, I will make it change color to yellow to see it very well. Okay, this you can put this out. In this area, this is a fair value area and fair value gap also. This fair value gap on 30 minutes, this large fair value area inside it nested fair value area, and this is order block and nested order block. In this area, I make a trade and sell here. Why I sell here, not waiting to enter? Because if the price want to continue towards the liquidity, the law of liquidity on daily time frame, this is the law of the day, and we are here. We should know that there is the price make a low and then give a chance for selling and then buying enter here and return to this area and then return again the selling again then the buy again take its chance and then moving down to take its direction until it reach in this area. After that as you can see that the chance for the market, sorry um, sorry the chance of the selling pressure of the cell is negligible. How? Sorry. Um, this. Okay. The chance of the selling is negligible. How? Uh, this is the chance of the sell and chance for the buy. Chance for the sell, chance for the buy. But after that, when the price moving out of this area, there is only chance for the selling in this area, but there is no chance for the buying. So the price should return here and take liquidity and moving down towards the draw on liquidity on the low of the day and low of the month. So we suspect that the price will return in this area. This is fair value area. It's the area fair because the buying pressure and buyer and seller take its chance. But this area, only the sales take its chance. Only sells. The buying didn't doesn't take its chance. So you can see how the price return to this area and see the price how it move. Okay, that's why what I want to say it. That's what I want to say it. Okay, so um, here also uh, how we are entered in this area. When we change it on 5 minutes, you can see that there is an order block in this area. This is order block. This is an order block moving down, order block moving down, order block moving down, and then moving down rapidly to this area, and then return. When the price return in this area, this is an order block in the area of selling chance, not buying chance. So the buyer take its chance to reach this area and then moving down. When we change it on 33 minutes, we can see 5 minutes, 1 minute, sorry, you can see how the price move. The price is moving to this area, to this order block. This is the order block and fair value area, and then make a accumulation. And this accumulation make the price and that structure rejected from this area and moving up, trying to take the liquidity from above, but there is a selling pressure here and the price moving down and make change in the state of delivery in this area. You can see it, this change in the state of delivery on 1 minute. First, this is a change in the state of delivery the second minute. On the another one, sorry, on the 1 minute another one, and I make selling here in this area and the price return and moving down towards, and my target that was three target. The first target is the low of the this wave, and another, this is the first target. The second target is the low of the day, and the third target is the low of the week. But I'm going out on this area, the price moving rapidly to this area and take its profit, and takes my profit. I want to say something which is very important about this movement. You can see how the price make something which is very important. This is you can see that this area and this area is internal range liquidity, and this area is external range liquidity. So the price moving from the internal range liquidity towards the external range liquidity. 1 2 3 pattern is also present in in this area. You can see how the price, this is one, this is two, this is three, but three try to push the price towards two to violate it. I will explain it again. This is one. This is one. Okay. I will change it to. Sorry. I will change it here. This is one. Okay. This is one, and this is two. Two, and this is three. This is three. This is three. The three, wave number three tried to push the price towards two and violate it, but it is failed, and the price moving down and closed below the three and one, and reaching this area, and then return, and I'm selling here in this area after breaking this. So this is a good change in the state of delivery. This is a change in the state of delivery. This is a change on the state of delivery also. Also, this is a change in the state of delay, but on 15 minutes and maybe 30 also minutes. Yes, also in 30 minutes, in addition to H2 and H1 change in the state of delivery. So this is very beautiful. Another thing which is very important, I would say, I would to say it that this is an order block that make it. This is you can see this is how the accumulation. This is you can see that this is above that support our selling pressure on this wave. You can see this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and also you can see that this is turtle soup and order block, breaker block. Breaker block, how the price moving up and then moving down, then return and then continue down. Okay, all these support our selling pressure. Thank you very much, and also the structure, market structure, which support the selling pressure and reaching the liquidity below the low of the day and below the low of the week. Thank you very much, my friend, and I'm so happy to see you again, yes, tomorrow. Bye bye.